Let's all take a breath together.
Howdy, this has been Hobby Problems with another TacX Pro Gear holster review. Big shout out to them. They've been taking great care of me. Really love their products, the customization you can get with it. A few notes about the holster featured in this video. I have it equipped on a UBL mid-ride with a T-Rex arms thigh strap to go on to a war belt, range belt, whatever you want to call it. That's the only difference between this and a stock holster from their company. Go out and get you one. It's a fantastic holster. I would highly recommend it. The lockup's good, the draw is smooth. I really don't know what else you could need. This has been Hobby Problems. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Have a great day.